Hello! Today I'll show you how to repair these Broken JBL E55BT headphones using the baking soda and superglue hack. As you can see, the headband is broken, and the headphones no longer stay on your head. So they need to be fixed, to avoid buying a new pair. The first task is to use a sharp paper knife to cut through the headband cushion fabric. This is necessary to access the damaged plastic frame of the headband. But be very careful not to damage the internal cable. You can burn the fabric end to prevent further fraying. Pull the headband cushion aside so that it won't get damaged by glue. Now remove the foam from the side and check if you can reassemble the headphones. Place the headphones in bags and wrap them with painter's tape to protect the areas that shouldn't get glue on them. Find a metal wire that can be used as a reinforcement for the damaged area. Ideally, a plastic welder gun would be best for this, as it's much easier and produces better quality results. But sometimes you have to make do with what's available. Try bending the metal wire to fit the shape of the headband and press it in place. Once both brackets are made, take some superglue, any glue with cyanoacrylate will do, and baking soda. Yes, baking soda. When mixed with superglue, it makes instant cement, which is exactly what we need. Apply glue around the new metal bracket and sprinkle the baking soda on top to create the instant cement. Then wipe off any excess soda and add more superglue on top. Do the same for the second metal bracket, using superglue and baking soda, layering it multiple times. Once the glue has hardened, add extra superglue to the headband frame points for added strength. Now, fit both parts together and apply glue to the crack seam. Fill the area with glue, place the metal reinforcement, add baking soda, and repeat until both metal reinforcements are tightly glued. Only by coating all these areas with glue and baking soda can you ensure the headphones are durable and will last for years. Once the glue has dried, wrap the area with insulation tape for additional strength.
Then, trim the excess foam from the headband so it doesn't interfere with the glued area. Next, pull the headband cushion fabric back over and fix it in place with superglue to prevent it from sliding back. Since the glued area is slightly larger, the headband cushion will be a little short. Place some insulation tape over this seam. I'll use fabric tape to make it look a bit nicer. Finally, remove all the protective layers, and the headphones are fixed. Grandma will be happy that she doesn't have to buy new headphones. If this was helpful to you, hit the like button and leave a comment if you knew about this superglue and baking soda hack. Good luck!